Frazier shows 2023, San Carlos, Arizona, teardown. Almost done with the slide. Those guys over there are doing the Himalaya. The Pharaoh's Fury is already torn down on that side. You see the Ferris wheel's torn down already, just about. Dragons are ready. Speedway's almost done. Probably the only last two rides is just the Rockstar and Freakout. That's just about it. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool to help these guys out tear down. As you can see, they got the Pharaoh's Fury almost done over there. And then looks like the cliffhanger is getting there too as well. So next we're gonna do the zero gravity.